This is Kamakshi. She is a sweet little girl. Today is a very special day for her. Every day she wakes up early.
I wake up early. I brush my teeth every day. I wash my face. I wear my school dress. Good morning, Mummy. Mummy, I'm ready for school.
Good morning, my sweet angel. Wow, you are ready. Kamakshi, breakfast is on the dining table.
Thank you, Mummy.
I love you, my dear.
Kamakshi eats her breakfast at the dining table. She drinks milk every day. She takes her school bag from her bedroom.
I'm going to school.
Kamakshi walks to school with her mummy. They reach near the park. She sees trees and birds. She's very happy to go to school.
Mummy, look at these beautiful flowers. And look, a beautiful peacock is dancing in the park. I am feeling very happy, Mummy.
Kamakshi reaches school. She is very excited today. She runs into the school.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Kamakshi. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Today is the school function. Kamakshi, are you ready?
Yes, madam, I'm ready.
Let us go to the auditorium now.
The auditorium is big. Parents are sitting in the auditorium. Many students are also sitting there.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a special day for Kamakshi. Let us listen to Kamakshi. She will speak about her mother.
Everyone claps for Kamakshi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kamakshi. I'm a good girl. I love my mother very much. My mother wakes up early. She cooks food for me every day. I eat with a smile. My mother helps me to wear my uniform. She gets me ready for school. She takes me to school. We go together happily. My mother helps me in my studies. I learn new things from her. She plays with me. We have fun together. My mother tells me very nice stories. They make me smile. She works hard every day. I'm proud of her. My mother loves me very much. I love my mother. Thank you.
Everyone feels proud of Kamakshi.
Very good, Kamakshi. You are a good student. We are proud of you.
Thank you, madam.
Well done, my sweet angel. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, Mummy. I love you.
You speak very nicely. You are a good girl.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Kamakshi walks home with her parents. She feels happy. She feels proud.
I'm happy today. I love my family very much.
We love you too, my dear.
This is Kamakshi. She loves her school. She loves her family very much. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.